Don't do it, guys. Don't place trades based on what you see here. Please consult your own financial advisors and do your own due diligence. All right, with that said, let's go. What's up, crazy people? A favorable finish to a mediocre week. As you can see, up $165 on the day, which puts me at about 147 up for the week. Very mediocre, but it's all right. Not beating the market at this point. Another thing I'm not beating is Apple. Apple shares continue to piss me off. They are at, look at this, 227. They were as high as 228.79 today. There's a guy that wrote an article about how they think Apple's a bit overextended and it's a good idea to buy some puts against it right now, which I actually might do. A friend of mine did already, and here I am listening to other people about my trades and probably gonna lose my shirt, but it's okay. It's gonna cost me about $100 to buy a put. Now this would be the rare occasion where I'm buying options, not selling them. We'll see how that works out. What else did I do today? I decided to spend that $1,000, actually 900 of them, and sell a put option on Ford. On Ford right here, I spent about, well, I'm gonna get $18, and right now I have, I'm down $2 on it, but it's all right. Ford announced that it's not gonna do the vehicles, Chinese-made vehicles that it planned on doing. Who knows why, politics, whatever, but it's down 2% on the day, well, over 2% on the day, and it's very low. If you look at a 5-year chart over here, look at this. Down, down. It's been in a solid downtrend. We'll see what happens, but there's still so much, it's a big company. I doubt it's gonna get that low, so we'll see. Plus, I wouldn't mind having those 4 shares at $9. I could just sell calls against it. I like stocks that are priced between 5 and 10 because that's what allows me to maneuver around with the options at my money level. Otherwise, I don't have the, $200,000 to play around and sell against Apple or all these higher price stocks. Maybe if they do a huge split, I'll be able to do that, but for now, I have to stick to these lower cost stocks. So I'm doing it. All right. So nothing much else happening. Let's take a quick look at the portfolio here. Precious metals are down again, although they're kind of flat on the day. XK is down 2%, still in a holding pattern there. I'm gonna get rid of these two funds. Overall, some things are up, some things are down. Pretty flat day. Russian index fund is up 1.5%. UUUU and URG and Cameco up a little bit on the day. And the major contributor to today's gains, of course, is Apple. Again, we're talking about Apple. You can see here $34 from Apple. And I think the options ticked, the XK options ticks down, yep. So they went from 40 to 38, which is well, I guess, huh. Well, I don't know. It's $120 swing again, the other way, the one that I lost yesterday. Whenever it ticks by a lot. Oh, I think I bought another contract. I mean, I sold another contract. No, never mind, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't. Well, anyway, there was a downtick in the EXK sales, and that was 120, and then Apple another 30, and there you go, 150. Everything else is pretty much flat. So we're waiting and seeing. It's going to be a long weekend. A lot could happen during this weekend. 3 days of no trading. which means 3 days of thinking. So I'm going to be thinking a lot. We'll see what I come up with. Shorting Apple is the next idea, and just monitoring Ford and a few other stocks. Okay, short and sweet today. Nothing else to talk about. If there is, I'll mention it tomorrow. With that said, peace out.